everyone, I'm Ananya, and today I'm going to share my simple daily routine. Let's begin. Every morning, I wake up around 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is open my eyes slowly and smile. I believe how you start your morning decides how your whole day will go. I sit quietly for a few minutes, close my eyes, and take a few deep breaths. It helps me calm my mind. Then I drink a glass of warm water. It feels refreshing and wakes me up instantly. After that, I do a little stretching and yoga. I'm not a fitness freak, but even 10 minutes of movement makes a big difference. Sometimes I listen to soft instrumental music while doing yoga. It makes me feel so peaceful. After my yoga, I take a quick shower and get ready for the day. I like to wear something comfortable, usually a simple or a light dress. Then I go to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. Usually oats, fruits, or poha, and a hot cup of tea. While having breakfast, I enjoy watching the birds outside my window or sometimes just check my messages. By 9 o'clock, I sit at my desk and start my work. I usually plan my tasks the night before, so I already know what needs to be done. I start my online work. I enjoy being productive and learning new things every day. I love keeping my workspace tidy. A clean desk helps me stay focused. Sometimes I light a scented candle or keep a small plant beside my laptop. It makes the environment fresh and cozy. During work, I take short breaks, stretch, drink water, and rest my eyes. Around 1 p.m., I finish my main work and move to lunch. Lunch is usually simple: rice, dal, and vegetables. After lunch, I spend some time with my family. We talk, laugh, and sometimes watch a show together. I also take a short nap for 20 to 30 minutes. It really refreshes me for the second half of the day. After my nap, I like to do something creative, sometimes painting or reading a book. Reading has become my favorite afternoon habit. It helps me relax and learn new things. In the evening, I go out for a walk or spend time on the terrace. I love watching the sunset. The colors of the sky make me feel calm and grateful. Sometimes I meet my friends for tea or just call them and chat. Evenings are my favorite, peaceful and full of beautiful energy. When I come back home, I water my plants and help my mom with dinner. Cooking together feels really nice. We talk about our day and share little things. At night, I have dinner and I like to have some quiet time. I watch something relaxing, maybe a movie or my favorite web series. Before sleeping, I spend 10 minutes writing in my journal what I did today, what I'm grateful for, and what I want to improve tomorrow. I believe that gratitude makes life more meaningful. Then I set my alarms, switch off the lights, and say to myself, "You did your best today." And that's how my peaceful day ends. So that's my daily routine: simple, calm, and full of little joys. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more storytelling videos. See you soon in my next one. Bye.